Hi guys, welcome back to Crafted by Kids. Today we're going to be making a mermaid throw pillow. This is what we're going to be making today. The materials you'll need are scissors, different colors of felt, and glue. First, you're going to cut the piece of felt you have in half. Then you're going to glue these two sheets together. Make sure you leave an opening on one side of your felt. Next, you're going to draw and cut out small circles, any color, and I like to do about 40, so I have a little bit of extra in case I mess up. Now, all you're going to do is just start laying them from the top all the way to the side. I did a purple, then blue, then purple, then blue in rows. And I recommend starting about halfway up the circle so it gives you a nice clean cut, and you're just going to keep laying your circles out. Now with the blue, since it was the second color that I did, you have to cut it in half and use both those halves on the ends like so. Now, all you're going to do is glue all these circles down. Now that all my circles have been glued down like this, I'm simply going to cut off all the excess that is laying around the sides. Now that I've cut off all that excess, I'm going to stuff my pillow. Now all you're going to do is glue that side shut, and there you go. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Bye!